9 scientifically proven tips for losing weight without diets. We all know that dieting is no fun, but what other options do you have if you want to lose a bit of weight, right? Studies continue to reveal simple rules that will help you achieve your dream body with almost no effort. And yes, it is completely healthy. So do you want to find out more? Then let's dive into it. But before you get one step closer to your perfect body, be sure to hit this subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll always be on time for every Brightside hangout. But back to our magic rules. Number 9, add healthy fats to your diet. When you're on a diet and trying to decrease the number of calories you consume, it seems reasonable to stop eating such foods as nuts, seeds, cheese, and butter. In reality, the situation is entirely different. Healthy fats digest more slowly than proteins and carbs, which means that if you eat them, the feeling of hunger won't bother you for a long time. Plus, a study conducted by the Department of Anatomy and Cell Biology of the State University of New York Downstate Medical Center in Brooklyn confirmed that monounsaturated fats help the body digest lycopene, lutein, and beta-carotene. So include avocados, walnuts, olives, salmon, eggs, seeds, Parmesan cheese, and other healthy fat foods in your meal. You'll see your body changing in no time. Number 8, watch the number of lost calories during physical activity. Here we have one of the most disappointing collisions of expectation and reality. After a couple of hours in the gym, you think you've lost tons of extra weight. Sadly, the real number is not that great, and science verifies this imbalance. Studies conducted by the University of Lancaster with the help of Mexican specialists showed that people with extra weight often overestimate the number of burned calories while exercising. As a result, they allow themselves to eat more food, thinking that they've spent a lot of energy. And that's where all the problems start. Moderation is the best method you can apply here. Of course, you need to eat after your workout. Just don't go beyond the limit of your daily calorie intake. Otherwise, the whole point of exercising will be lost. Number 7, wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly. Both fruits and vegetables are great additions to your menu, whether you're trying to lose weight or not. But their amazing benefits will only work if you wash them well. According to Pesticides in the Modern World, written by Aliwu B. and Nosiri C., if you don't wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly, the remaining pesticides can slow down your metabolism and cause weight gain. Even though these chemicals are supposed to protect foods from parasites, in this situation, they end up having a negative influence on human health. Pesticides also disrupt thyroid processes, which leads to a hormonal imbalance. Moreover, scientists suggest that they damage the mitochondria, which are the parts of cells that turn the food you consume into energy. So don't be lazy. Take the time to wash all your fruits and vegetables properly. Number 6, breathe in the smell of olive oil. Olive oil is wonderful, not only for your skin and hair, but for your body too. Work groups at the Technical University of Munich under Professor Peter Schieberle and at the University of Vienna under Professor Veronica Somoza studied 4 different editable fats and oils, including olive oil. They discovered that adding olive oil to food can leave you feeling much fuller more quickly. As it turns out, the smell of olive oil has its own set of benefits too, extending the period when the sugar level is stable, so you don't feel hungry. Italian oils, in particular, contain the largest amounts of chemicals that block feelings of hunger. So the rule is simple: more olive oil, less extra pounds. Number 5, eat with pleasure. Having a bit of extra weight shouldn't stop you from enjoying food. On the contrary, when you savor your meal, your body responds to it much more positively. The reason is that our appetite is regulated by a hormone called ghrelin. And this is where the interesting part starts. Yolanda Diz Chavez, senior emergent researcher at the University of Vigo, found that ghrelin levels rise when you are stressed and decreased when you feel pleasure from eating. In other words, if you truly enjoy your meal, you won't feel hungry anytime soon. However, if you hardly eat and feel pressured to eat less, you'll find yourself standing in front of an open fridge much sooner. The answer is to simply fill your menu with healthy foods you like, and then your weight won't be a problem anymore. Number 4, choose the right pasta. Pasta is one of the most difficult foods to give up when you're trying to lose weight. But what if we said that you shouldn't give it up at all? Just choose the right one. It all has to do with the glycemic index, which represents a rise in a person's blood sugar level 2 hours after eating. The lower this index, the more slowly the sugar gets into the blood. As a result, your body produces smaller doses of insulin to process the sugar. However, if a lot of sugar gets into the blood quickly, the body will have to produce a large amount of insulin, which will send a signal to the brain that it's time to eat again. That's why foods with a low glycemic index are better for people trying to lose weight. According to a study published in the Diabetes Care Journal, different kinds of pasta have different glycemic indexes. The best option for anyone who wants to lose weight is spaghetti. The worst pasta choice, on the other hand, is macaroni. And just like that, one of your favorite meals can go back onto your dinner table. Number 3, take calcium supplements if you can't digest dairy products. Many people are lactose intolerant, so it's far more easy for them to exclude dairy from their menu altogether. As it turns out, this is not a smart move. Scientists from the University of Tennessee proved that cheese, milk, cottage cheese, and many other dairy products contain a great amount of calcium, which speeds up the metabolism of fats. The weight of those who took a calcium supplement during the experiment decreased by between 26% and 70%. So if you miss out on this important element, it can be harder for you to get rid of those annoying extra pounds. No worries though, just take calcium supplements and vitamin D instead. They'll give you results just as amazing as regular consumption of dairy products. Number 2, eat solid food in the morning. We all know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It not only fuels your body, but also helps you kickstart your day. Scientists have been aware of the importance of breakfast for a long time, and now there's more and more research into exactly how the food on our plates influences our bodies. An article published in the International Journal of Obesity in 2007 explained that protein efficiency increases when it's eaten in solid form. This means only one thing. If you eat solid food instead of smoothies and other stuff like that in the morning, you'll feel hungry much later. And that's exactly what we need, right? So pick your breakfast options according to this rule if you want to trick your system into eating a bit less. Number 1, eat dark chocolate. Don't get too excited. Chocolate is still not completely off the hook. According to the results of research published in the HSOA Journal of Obesity and Weight Loss, chocolate doesn't have a positive influence on your health, but that doesn't mean it can't be helpful in some ways. Another study published in the International Archives of Medicine journal showed that people on a low-carb diet who eat small amounts of dark chocolate don't gain back the weight they lost. But this is true only for dark chocolate and no other, so don't be afraid to let yourself have a bit of chocolate every now and then. It won't do any harm to your body, but it will make you happier. And what about you? Do you have any secrets about how to lose weight quickly and effectively? Tell us about your experiences in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends so that they'll know about these simple tips as well. Subscribe to our channel for more fun and interesting videos, and we'll see you soon.